Yo, what's good YouTube? It's King Bro coming back at you again with another video, and today I'm giving you the 5 must-haves for curly hair, and this is a beginner's tutorial. So if you're a legend, you know what I'm saying, if you're a vet, you've been watching my channel for a minute, a lot of these things you might hear me say today might be a little bit elementary to you, but I still advise you watch the video all the way to the end so you can make sure you leave out no steps. Without further ado, here we go with the 5 must-haves for curly hair.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for that.
Right. Number 1, the very first thing you need, this is non-negotiable, the very first thing you need to get curly hair is a trustworthy curl cream. The curl cream's job is literally to give your hair the curl effect. So you can't get curls without the curl cream. Well, you can, but listen, man, just get the curl cream, all right? So there are a lot of good brands out there to use. You know, at one point in time, I was using Bouncy Curls. Then I moved over to Bella Curls. You know, then I done some As I Am type stuff, man. But right now, man, I realized that the TGIN Twist Defining Cream is doing great for my hair. My hair absolutely loves this stuff right here. Hopefully you can see it. Yep, the Twist Defining Cream by TGIN. You guys can go get this. I think it's about $9, I want to say. So it shouldn't break the bank too much, you know what I'm saying? The second thing you must have to get curly hair is some type of comb / pick to detangle your hair, you guys. The main reason why you need to detangle your hair before you use curl cream or try to get curls is because your hair will look bad without it, you know what I'm saying? Straight hair, when it curls up, it looks curly. When knotty hair curls up, it looks knotty, all right? So a lot of the reason why you can't see some of these curls over here is because I didn't do as good of a job in detangling them, all right? That's the main reason why. Outside of that, I just got a lot of damn hair, probably more than a lot of you guys, so you won't have to worry about this if you detangle properly. So make sure that you get something and detangle properly. So you guys, if we look right here, when your hair is straight, it looks just like this, all right? Just like that when it's straight. So when you put the curl cream in your hair, it turns to this right here. Boom. That's what we got going on. You see this curl right here? Look at this curl right here. Boom. Let's say you didn't detangle your hair. Let's look at it then. So you didn't detangle your hair, and this is what your hair looks like. Okay, boom. Now let's add curl cream to it. You see what I'm saying here? Okay, the third thing you must have in order to have curly hair as a beginner is, if you're a veteran watching this channel, if you've been subscribed to me for more than 2 weeks, you should know what I'm about to say. So I want you guys to say it with me because this is the most slept on step. Step 3 is you need a great deep conditioner. If you guys were able to guess it, I want you to comment deep conditioner down below. So this is the most slept on step in the world. Why is this step the most slept on? Well, a lot of people don't know the difference between deep conditioner and regular conditioner and leave-in conditioner. Deep conditioner raises your curl potential, you know what I'm saying? So let's just, I'll bring the whiteboard back out so you guys can understand. Okay, so on a scale of not curly to super curly, let's say that your hair is right about here, all right? Maybe you see a little curl, but you don't really see a lot, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So let's say this is where you're at now, but this is where your max potential is if you got your curl cream. You go from right here to right here, all right? So that means you raised up, but you still can't get over this bump right here. Deep conditioner doesn't necessarily give you curls. The curl cream does that. The deep conditioner raises your curl potential. So now, instead of being right here, your curl potential is now all the way up here. So now, all you got to do is add curl cream, follow the rest of the steps, and instead of being right here, you can go all the way up here because that deep conditioner has raised your curl potential. I can't write, boy. Hey, man, my mama told me doctors and lawyers got bad handwriting, so don't judge me, all right? I rock with one and only one deep conditioner, and that is the Rich Royals Royal Hydration Treatment. You guys can get it at a link down below, but this is the only deep conditioner I've used in my hair for the past 7-8 months. There are a lot of other quality deep conditioners that I recommend, like Shea Moistures and Miels, that can get the job done as well. For you guys who are beginners who have never bought a deep conditioner before, I need you to understand that it has many names. So it could be called a deep conditioner, it could be called a treatment, it could be called a mask. But be on the watch for any of these names because all of them mean deep conditioner. There are a lot of different things that you can cheat, slide around, different creams and different conditioners. But when it comes to a deep conditioner, a treatment, or a mask, that is one thing that you do not want to go the cheap route, all right? Number 4, all right? The 4th thing you need as a curly hair beginner is a bonnet, all right? You need a bonnet. A lot of you guys in the comments are asking me, hey, can I wear a do-rag instead of a bonnet? Man, listen, I need you to go to the barbershop tomorrow morning. I need you to get a Caesar fade, all right? Cut everything off the top, start brushing your hair, and subscribe to 360 Jesus channel, because you're not gonna get curly hair with a do-rag, because as soon as you get your curls popping to the place that you want them to be, you're gonna throw that do-rag on and it's gonna compress all of the curls that you just worked so hard for, and it's gonna flatten them out. So compression is what you want with waves, is not what you want with curls. So you wanna get something that can wrap around, something that's flimsy, that can wrap around the circumference of your big ass head. With this whole bonnet thing, we kind of breaking gender stereotypes and whatnot, but I need you to understand, this does not make you a woman, it does not make you gay, it does not make you none of that. This is what it means. It means you have hair, all right? So let's look at this. There's a lot of women who now have cut their hair and now they have faves and they're spinning with 360s. Do they wear bonnets or do-rags? They wear do-rags, even though they're women. So if you have hair, I need you to understand that do-rags are for people with wave or braids, I'll give you that, y'all got me, or braids or dreads, whatever you want to call it. But if you got curly hair and in the curly hair season, you need a bonnet or a silk pillowcase. But you know, they're probably one of the more expensive routes. And if you're looking to save money, trust me, this is where you're looking to save money. Get yourself a bonnet. Number 5, all right? The 5th curly hair tip that you absolutely need, the 5th must-have that you must have as a beginner in your curly hair journey is gel. You need gel. This is one of the places where I feel like you can save money as a curly hair beginner and not be too shorted of quality. So make sure you go get yourself some Eco Style gel, red top, blue top, doesn't really matter to me. I don't really know the difference. I can't really tell the difference if my curls are popping. Thank you. Without this gel, you can go through your whole curly hair routine and your hair will look fire in your bathroom, but then as soon as you walk out into the cold or hot air for that day, it's gone, all right? So in order for you to sustain or have any type of sustainability throughout the day, this is what you're gonna need, all right? If you have all 5 of the must-haves, make sure you go watch my video, how to get curly hair in 5 minutes, and it'll tell you step by step exactly how to use each and every one of these tips. It'll teach you how to use each and every one of these must-haves. And I'll make sure I leave it in the link right here, all right? It'll link right here, all right? So it's some terminology that I want you guys to learn, because you're gonna have to not only talk amongst the curly hair community of males, but I want you to know what you're talking about when you're around females that are part of the natural hair community. And this style, the style that I explained in this video, the curly hair 5 minutes video, technically it is called a wash and go, all right? So a wash and go. All right, you guys, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them down in the comment box. Make sure you like this video, click subscribe, and until next time, peace.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for that.
Right.